Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jocelyn Nguyen-Bui and I'm here to do another makeup tutorial with you today. So as you can see, I have a little bit of makeup on, and this is actually a very typical day look for me. If I were to have to put on makeup for something in the daytime, this is what I would typically do. So now I'm going to show you how to transition from day to night. Obviously nighttime makeup is a little bit more glamorous, but instead of having to wash your face off and start from scratch, do it all over again, I'm going to teach you how to build on this. First and foremost though, you do want to make sure that you're starting with clean skin. What you're going to want to do is blot off the oils from your face with an oil blotter first, and then you want to refresh a little bit with some kind of a mist. So what I usually keep in my purse is the Sangreen Balm Sue Wrinkle Mist. What this does is it's really refreshing, smells really good. So what it does is it just kind of cleans your face a little bit. It gives your face a refreshing feel. And you don't want to reapply your makeup. You don't want to reapply your foundation, because if you did a good job in the daytime, it should have lasted into the night well enough. But if you do need a bit of a touch-up, what I would typically do is just get a teeny tiny bit of concealer. Because concealer is a lot thicker than your regular foundation, you just want to get a little bit of concealer, and you want to touch up your T-zone first and your under eye area with a wet sponge. So you don't want to tack on too much makeup. And now we're going to transform this regular day look into a smoky eye nighttime look. And I'm going to go with the same palette that I used for the daytime, the Flawless by Diva Safari palette. I feel like this palette is super easy to use. It has really good colors, very versatile colors. I love going with nudes. So we're going to go with a smoky eye. And with this base, I'm just going to add on oh sorry, I forgot to tell you what color I went in with. Roar. Okay. And how I like to do my makeup is I'll just pat color on and then I'll blend it out. That way I can make sure that there's enough color on each eye. Because sometimes when you're done blending and then maybe you're kind of tired or you're kind of lazy, you don't want to blend the other eye out like properly. It just doesn't look right. So I just want to make sure that I got the color on there like enough to match, and then I'll go ahead and start blending. So the difference between a daytime look and a nighttime look is just your eyeshadows and your lipstick. Now I do realize that a lot of women would wear a bolder color during the daytime, as I have done before in the past, or I actually still do, but a lot of the times that's where you want to play up with the colors, is your lipstick and your eyeshadow. So once you have this blended, you can go in with some Sparkle and Shine. So for the sparkle, I'm going to use Rome. Blend some more. Never done blending. The eyeliner that I put on is actually for magnetic eyelashes. Super easy to apply. All you have to do is put the eyeliner on and stick these babies on. And they have little magnets on the side, like on the inside where you're supposed to glue them on, and they just stick to your eyes. Some of them do hurt a little bit, because it's a little bit longer than my eyes. So what you want to do is you either want to stick it on towards the outside a little bit, or better yet, clip them. Once you have them on, just kind of gauge where you're going to be at and then just cut them. So that's going to be the most comfortable. Since they are reusable, you can absolutely keep them for a while, and it's better to cut them if you are going to be reusing them so that it's not uncomfortable every time you blink, or, you know, for longer wear. Let's do lips. So I love me a really great red lipstick. If you ever mess up doing a red lipstick or some kind of a bold lip color, which we all will, no matter how experienced you are at putting on makeup, you will mess up, and you can tell here that this is definitely not even. The way that you want to clean that up is with concealer. You're going to put a little bit of concealer onto your hand because you don't want to contaminate the container, and you're going to want to very slowly erase some of the parts that you've boo-booed on. So try not to talk when you're doing this, so that way you don't make boo-boos in the beginning, but if in any case you do, don't just wipe it off, because what you're going to do is you're going to spread it around. So what you want to avoid is to make your lips so big because you've boo-booed by keep drawing on layers and layers. You want to do a little bit of erasing first, and then you can always go back and draw it in again. But don't just keep drawing over it so that your lips are like humongous unintentionally. So there you have it. A quick transition from your day look to your night look with the same colors, same palette, and almost the same makeup. So let me know if you have questions and comments below, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye!